Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Adi Education Wali. I'm a student at Rehan College, Karangi campus. I participate in the teacher training bootcamp one. Today we are discussing an exciting and important topic focus on the future of online education. Our special guest in Hani Automation Wali, who has extensive knowledge of technology, automation, and digital learning. Welcome, Hani Automation Wali.
Walaikum Assalam, Sadia. Thank you so much for inviting me. I am delighted to be here and to discuss a topic that is shaping the future of education around the world.
Okay, so Hania, our first question is what is the online education and why it become more popular?
Online education is a system of learning that uses the internet and digital technologies to deliver education content. It has become increasingly popular because it allows people to learn from anywhere at any time. Students no longer need to travel long distances or follow rigorous schedules. The flexibility, affordability, and accessibility of online learning have made it attractive to millions of learners worldwide. It has opened doors for people who previously had limited access to quality education and has created opportunities for continuous personal and professional development.
Okay, great answer. How has online education changed learning over the last decade?
Over the last decade, online education has transformed learning by making technology more accessible and interactive. A student can attend live classes, watch recorded lectures, participate in decisions, and collaborate with peers from different countries. Educational resources are available instantly, and learners can study at their own pace. This shift has encouraged self-directed learning and has helped people acquire new skills much faster than before.
Okay, Hania. So our next question is why do you believe the future of online education is bright?
The future is bright because technology continues to improve the learning experience. New tools make education more engaging, personalized, and accessible. As internet access as As internet access expands and digital literacy increase, more people will benefit from online educational institutions, and employers are also recognizing the value of online certifications and skills-based learning, which will further increase its importance.
Okay, Hania. How will artificial intelligence influence future education?
Artificial intelligence will personalize education like never before. AI can analyze student performance, identify strengths and weakness, and recommended customized learning material. It can provide instant feedback, answers questions, and help teacher monitor progress. This personalized approach can improve learning outcomes and make education more efficient for both students and teachers.
Okay, Hania, what do you think? What role will automation play in education? Okay, Hania, what do you think? What role will automation play in education?
Um, Automation will simplify many administrative administrative tasks such as grading, attendance, tracking, scheduling, and student performance analysis. This will save time for more educators and allow them to focus more on teaching and mentoring. Automation can also improve efficiency and ensure that educational process runs smooth.
Okay, Hania, how can virtual reality improve online learning?
Virtual reality can create immersive learning experiences that make education more engaging. The student can explore historical sites, conduct visual science experiments, and practice professional skills in realistic simulations. This hands-on approach improves understanding and retention while making learning more enjoyable.
Okay, our next question is, will online education create equal opportunities for everyone?
Online education has the potential to create greater equality by providing access to knowledge regardless to location or background. However, challenges such as internet access and digital literacy still need to be addressed. If these barriers and reduced, online education can become a powerful tool for educational inclusion.
Okay, Hania, how is online education helping working professionals?
Working professionals can upgrade their skills without leaving their jobs. Online courses allows them to learn during their free time and stay updated with industry trends. This flexibility helps people advance their careers and promotions and remain competitive in the job market.
Okay, what do you think, can online education support entrepreneurship?
Um, Absolutely, online education provides aspiring entrepreneurs with valuable knowledge about business planning, marketing, leadership, finance, and innovation. It allows them to learn from successful experts and apply practical strategies to their own business. This knowledge can significantly increase their chances of success.
Okay, how does online education support freelancing careers?
Um, Online education helps individuals learn and develop skills such as graphic design, programming, content writing, um, digital marketing, and video editing. These skills can be used to build successful freelancing careers. Many freelancers today started by learning through online tools and tutorials.
Okay, what skills should students focus on for the future?
Children should focus on communication, critical thinking, creativity, leadership, teamwork, digital literacy, and problem solving. Technical skills related to technology and data will also become increasingly valuable. Continuous learning will be one of the most important habits for the future success.
Okay, great answer. How can teacher prepare for the future of online education?
Teachers should embrace technology and continuously improve their digital teaching skills. They should learn how to use modern educational tools, create engaging content, and adapt to changing student needs. Lifelong learning is just as important for educators as it is for students.
Okay, Hania, what do you think? What challenges might online education face in the future?
Some challenges include internet accessibility, maintaining students' engaging engagement, ensuring academic integrity, and addressing the digital divide. Educational institutions must work together with governments and technology providers to overcome these challenges and create more inclusive learning environments.
Okay, Hania, what is your final message about the future of online education?
My final message is that online education is not just a trend, it is a powerful force shaping the future of learning. Students and educators should embrace technology, invest in continuous learning, and remain open to innovation. The future belongs to those who are willing to learn, adapt, and grow. Education has the power to transform lives, and online learning is making that transform possible for millions of people around the world.
Thank you so much, Hani Automation Wali, for sharing your valuable insight and inspiring thought with us today. Uh, thank you so much, all of you, for listening to me. Allah Hafiz.
Allah